In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an ABS speed sensor on a Jeep Cherokee. Your ABS speed sensor is located at the top of the knuckle, right behind the rotor. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely. You want to take out these 5 19mm bolts. They are not lug nuts. Put this back in by hand a little bit so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take that 5th one out. To remove the ABS speed sensor, you have one 10mm bolt. You want to take that out. Now you can take a pair of pliers and just twist and pull upwards. Note that these like to break off inside the knuckle, so take your time. Now you just want to take some pliers, pull this clip towards you and out. On the back side, you just slide straight out. You have 2 more here and there. Just want to take these straight out. Straight out. And now your plug, just want to pull down the tab right here. You can take a pick and help push the tab and pull. You have one clip where that connector connects to the body. Just pull away, and there you have it. Take your ABS sensor, come to your plug it in, listen for that click. You want to install it on the body, come down, install your rubber mounts. Push it like that. Another rubber mount behind here. Give it a push. And your push clip in. Now before you install your sensor in the knuckle, definitely want to clean the surface from any debris. That way the sensor sits flat. You could just take a piece of sandpaper. Also, you want to clean that hole where the sensor goes through. It's just going to make it easy for installation. Now you install your sensor. Just want to snug that and then torque it at 106 inch-pounds. And for your reinstall, line up your holes, put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. And give them a snug. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. After you replace that ABS sensor, you want to hop in that driver's seat, take it for a good road test, make sure that ABS light doesn't come on the dash. If it doesn't, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.